Hi Drastic Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw a Frappuccino from Pusheen Cafe. So let's get started. To draw this yummy Frappuccino, we're going to first start by drawing a curve for the bottom of the whipped cream. So I'm going to come right here and just draw a soft curve across, about right there. And so then now we're going to start to build our whipped cream. So remember your center, so it's going to be about right here. I'm just going to give myself a point. Just going to make sure that I go about that high, and that's my center. So I'm just going to start to build up. So I'm just going to start with this side first because it doesn't really matter. Just going to go up and down, but I'm still building towards this point. So little curves here and there, and then the top one I'm just going to go curve and give a little slight curve into that point. And then I'm going to come down to this side, so I'm going to continue this point right here, come down with a bigger curve, and then now we can start to build the other side. So once again, it's the same thing, big and small, doesn't matter. And about right there I'll stop because I need to put in a straw, but if you're using a pencil, just go ahead and finish it off. So I'm going to stop right here. I'm going to angle a straw in, so about right here. I'm going to go all the way up to about that much. I'm going to add a little curve down here where the straw sticks into the whipped cream, and let's finish our straw. So then about right there I'm going to cut it off, and then let's finish off our whipped cream. So I'm going to continue this and in. So then from there, let's, before we do all the little details, let's come back to here. We're going to come up a little bit and we're going to draw the lip of our cup. Just get a little curve on both sides. And then just follow that curve you made all the way across. Oh, oops. Well, you get the idea. Go all the way across, nice and smooth. Okay, there. Now from there, I'm going to start to draw my cup. So I'm going to come in a little bit and I'm going to angle it down on both sides. So I'm going to slowly build this cup because I do have to go pretty low. So I'm going to, now that it's pretty much even, bring this down a little bit more. I'm going to go ahead and connect it following this top curve. So right here, all the way across. That's our first part of the cup, and let's come in a little bit more, and we're going to start to angle it down. So let's see how far you want to bring your cup. It's all up to you. So I'm going to keep bringing this down. I'm just going to start with one side first. So it makes it a little bit easier for me to see the angle. So see about right there, I'll stop. And let's do the same thing on this side. So I'm just going to step back a little bit and do my best to match the other side. I think I'm getting too narrow. Okay, so about right there. I think it's long enough. Just a little bit more. Now that's pretty even. Okay, let's go ahead and connect it at the bottom. Soft curve all the way across. There. Okay, so then now let's draw Pusheen, the part right here. So I'm going to come to the center, give myself a little space for the ear. So let's say about right here. Slight curve right in the center. From this curve, I'm going to go up for the ears, round off the edge, the tip, I mean, and do the same thing over here. Round off the tip and down, and then I'm going to curve it up. So just remember, you're still following that curve. There. Okay, so then from there, let's draw the 3 stripes. So I'm going to come to the center. 1, 2, and 3. And then let's come below this stripe. So say about right here, I'm going to start to draw a straight line down and then curve it out for the mouth and the nose. And then come to the bottom right here and add a curve. And then towards the side, let's add a circle for the eyes. And same thing over here. So let's give it a little highlight and then shade it in. I was so excited when I found this image from Pusheen's Cafe. I didn't even know they had a cafe in Singapore. So hopefully one day I can go visit Singapore and go to Pusheen's Cafe and drink this because it looks so yummy and so cute. Okay, so from there we're going to come to the side and I'm just going to draw some whiskers right next to the eye. So same thing over here. And then let's come down here, see about right here. I'm going to once again draw a curve all the way across. And then there's going to be, let's see here, 2 more that I need to draw for some band of color. So I'm just basically following my curve. And 1 more all the way across. There. Okay, so then now for the drink. I'm going to bring it in a little bit because this is the part where you see the drink. So it just kind of makes it look like it's in plastic or in glass. And this part as well. So this part you can see, so I'm going to bring it in just a little bit. And then you can put whatever flavor you want. They have a strawberry cheesecake, which is pink, or they have like a mint Oreo chocolate chip, which is kind of like an aqua color. So it's all up to you what you want to color it. Now let's get back to the whipped cream. So I'm going to just start to add some details to it. So let's start about right here where the straw is. I'm just going to start to wiggle all the way across. Just to give my whipped cream some details. Doesn't matter. Oh, maybe let's see here. Big one here, small one there. You can add as much detail as you want, or as little. Okay, before I get carried away. There. Okay, and then I'm going to come in here and I'm going to add some big pearls, big pink pearls for some sprinkles. Here and there I'll add some circles. And then they also have a lot of small little sugar sprinkles as well. So you can do that when you're coloring. Just add little pink dots. So there, hope you love how this yummy Frappuccino from Pusheen's Cafe turned out and you'll give it a try. Thanks so much for watching, and if you loved it, please give me a thumbs up and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Drastic Cute videos. See you later.